যদি আকাশের গায়ে কান্না পাতি তোমার কথা শুনতে পাবো না। যদি আকাশের গায়ে কান্না পাতি তোমার কথা শুনতে পাবো না। যদি বাতাসকে আমি ছুঁয়ে না দেখি, যদি বাতাসকে আমি ছুঁয়ে না দেখি, তোমার শরীর স্পর্শ পাবো না। তোমার কথা শুনতে পাবো না। যদি আকাশের গায়ে কান্না পাতি তোমার কথা শুনতে পাবো না। আমার শিরায় শিরায় রক্তের ধ্বনি, শরীর আধারে মা জননী। আমার শিরায় শিরায় রক্তের ধ্বনি, শরীর আধারে মা জননী। তোমার জন্মতে ব্যথা না পাইলে, তোমার জন্ম শব্দ পাবো না। তোমার কথা শুনতে পাবো না।
You do not have to be good. You do not have to walk on your knees for 100 miles through the desert repenting. You only have to let the soft animal of your body love what it loves. Tell me about despair, yours, and I will tell you mine. Meanwhile, the world goes on. Meanwhile, the sun and the clear pebbles of the rain are moving across the landscapes, over the prairies and the deep trees, the mountains and the rivers. Meanwhile, the wild geese, high in the clean blue air, are heading home again. Whoever you are, no matter how lonely, the world offers itself to your imagination, calls to you like the wild geese, harsh and exciting, announcing over and over again your place in the family of things. Hi. If you're here, you probably watched till the end, and I really appreciate that. I'm setting the intention for this video to reach my vibe of an audience. No instrumentals, just birds chirping and leaves falling and the sound of a good breeze. Both of these pieces are really important to me, both the song and the poem. The song is by Orko Mukherjee, and I first heard it while I was in social isolation during COVID. So I was really emotionally vulnerable, and this song just became a favorite. I still listen to it on loop. As for the poem, I first read this poem this semester, and it became my lifeline. I got more into poetry because of this poem. I know this is an insane mic. I need to buy a mic. I borrowed this from the library, so the hustle. Anyway, yeah, I'm setting the intention for this video to reach the kind of a crowd that I would love to chill with. That's about it. Have a good summer.